Hey, everyone! It's Business Ideas Vault. If you're searching for the next big opportunity, this video is packed with unique business ideas designed for modern entrepreneurs and creators. Operating from home via Instagram allows you to keep overhead costs virtually non-existent. You can build a portfolio by gifting a few stuffed balloons to local influencers or friends in exchange for tags and shares. Since the equipment is affordable and portable, you can even offer on-site stuffing for corporate events or large parties. As the business grows, you can expand your catalog to include high-margin add-ons like fairy lights inside the balloon or gourmet chocolates tucked into the base. Brutal cleaning service. This business model flips the script on traditional home services by blending domestic utility with performance art. The brutal cleaning concept works because it sells an experience and a laugh rather than just a tidy kitchen. Marketing is the most critical component here, using short-form video platforms like TikTok or Reels to showcase the cleaning crew in action can lead to viral growth. The service relies on a specific brand image, strength, charm, and impeccable manners, which allows you to charge a significant premium over standard cleaning rates. To ensure long-term viability, the brutal aspect must be backed by actual cleaning quality. Training your staff to be efficient cleaners while maintaining their in-character persona is the secret sauce. You can offer various packages, such as the executive brunch, which includes light cleaning and coffee service, or the party cleanup, where the crew handles the aftermath of an event while keeping the hosts entertained. It's a high-margin niche that thrives on word-of-mouth and bachelorette party bookings. Edible butter candle. The edible butter candle is a viral culinary trend that brings a wow factor to any dining table. Constructed from high-quality grass-fed butter and a food-safe hemp wick, the candle slowly melts into a warm, flavorful pool of dip as it burns. This is a perfect product for the boutique catering and tablescape market. You can experiment with savory infusions like roasted garlic and rosemary, or sweet versions like cinnamon and honey, providing a sensory experience that standard bread and butter service simply cannot match. For a retail-focused business, these candles can be sold in beautiful glass jars or as molded sculptural pieces for dinner party hosts. Packaging is vital here. The product should look like a luxury home fragrance item but come with clear instructions on how to enjoy it with warm sourdough or crackers. Partnering with local bakeries or high-end grocery stores to provide dip kits can create a steady stream of passive income, especially during the holiday hosting season. Holographic advertising displays. Holographic fan technology uses high-speed LED spinning to create floating 3D visuals that appear to exist in midair. Because the human eye is naturally drawn to movement and light, these displays are significantly more effective at stopping foot traffic than traditional flat screens or posters. By syncing multiple units into a video wall configuration, you can project life-sized 3D models of products, spinning logos, or even virtual brand ambassadors, making it a futuristic solution for trade shows, retail storefronts, and cinema lobbies. The low entry cost of approximately $50 per unit makes this an incredibly scalable business model. You can operate as a specialized visual content agency, where you not only sell or rent the hardware but also design the 3D animations for local businesses. As augmented reality becomes more mainstream, companies are desperate for physical plus digital, marketing tools that provide a high wow factor without the need for expensive VR headsets or mobile apps. Automated pasta production line. Investing in a fully automated pasta line is a leap into large-scale food manufacturing. These systems handle the entire life cycle of the product, from the precision mixing of semolina and water to the extrusion through bronze dies and the final controlled drying process. This level of automation ensures that every batch has the exact same texture and shelf life, which is critical when pitching to major grocery chains or regional distributors. With a capacity of up to 1 ton per hour, the efficiency of this machinery allows you to compete with established brands on price while maintaining artisanal quality. The $30,000 price tag represents a significant entry point, but the volume of output makes the return on investment highly predictable. The current market trend toward clean label and organic pasta provides an opening to use specialized grains like spelt or chickpea flour, which command premium prices. By automating the labor-intensive drying and packaging stages, you can run a high-output factory with a very small, specialized team focused on quality control and logistics. A commercial rotary oven is the gold standard for high-volume bakeries that refuse to sacrifice consistency for speed. The 360-degree hot air circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring that every loaf of bread, tray of cookies, or batch of pastries is baked to a uniform golden brown. With the ability to handle 50 kilograms of product per hour and reach temperatures of 400 degrees Celsius, this equipment is built for the grueling demands of a 24-hour production cycle. The rotation mechanism ensures that the heat penetrates the dough evenly, resulting in better crust development and a lighter crumb. Priced from $4,900, this oven serves as the heart of a wholesale bakery business. Its high efficiency in gas or electric consumption makes it more sustainable than older, static deck ovens. By maximizing your hourly output, you can secure contracts with local sandwich shops, restaurants, and schools. The precision of a rotary system also allows you to experiment with high-margin specialty items like sourdough or complex laminated pastries that require exact temperature curves to succeed. AI Smart Coffee Machine. The AI-powered coffee machine represents the next evolution of the self-service beverage industry. These machines use sensors and data to learn customer preferences, adjusting the grind size, water temperature, and milk frothiness to create a personalized cup every time. With over 20 drink options available at the touch of a screen, it functions like a robotic barista that never gets tired or makes a mistake. This is an ideal solution for high-end office spaces, luxury car dealerships, or hotel lobbies where quality coffee is expected, but a full staff isn't feasible. Beyond just making coffee, these machines collect valuable data on consumption patterns, helping owners optimize their inventory and milk refills. The smart aspect also allows for remote troubleshooting and automatic cleaning cycles, reducing maintenance downtime. By placing these machines in high-traffic business zones, you can generate passive income through a paper cup, model, or a monthly lease, providing a premium service that enhances the environment of any professional space. Fruit and vegetable washing and packing line. The primary challenge for small-scale farmers is the middleman who takes a significant cut of the profits for processing and distribution. By investing in an automated washing and packing line, farmers can transform raw, dirt-covered produce into retail-ready products that meet the strict hygiene standards of major supermarkets. This system utilizes a series of water jets, brushes, and air-drying tunnels to ensure the produce is pristine and moisture-free before being weighed and sealed. This process significantly extends the shelf life of the goods and allows for premium branding on the packaging. With a capacity of 1,500 kilograms per hour, this line is an industrial powerhouse that can handle the output of multiple local farms. Beyond increasing the owner's own margins, they can offer processing as a service to neighboring growers, creating a secondary revenue stream. By controlling the final stage of the supply chain, the business owner gains the leverage to negotiate directly with high-end grocery chains and organic food distributors, effectively doubling or even tripling the value of every harvest. Automated car painting line. The traditional manual car painting process is labor-intensive, prone to dust contamination, and often inconsistent. An automated line solves these issues by creating a clean room environment where robotic arms or specialized sprayers apply primer, base coats, and clear coats with micron-level precision. This system handles the entire workflow, from the initial chemical wash and drying to the final high-temperature bake, ensuring a factory-level finish that is impossible to replicate by hand. It significantly reduces paint waste and environmental impact by capturing overspray. While the $100,000 entry price is substantial, the throughput of an automated line makes it a high-volume profit engine. It is an ideal investment for regional collision centers or custom shops that specialize in high-end vehicle restoration. The speed of the system allows for more cars to be processed per day, and the superior quality of the finish allows the shop to charge a premium. This technology also enables the use of specialized, effect paints such as pearlescent or matte finishes, which are currently in high demand. Flower Photo Zone Business. The Instagrammability of an event is now a top priority for weddings, corporate launches, and parties. A flower photo zone business involves creating large-scale, 3D floral backdrops using high-quality silk or real touch, artificial flowers. These structures are designed to be modular and foldable, allowing for easy transportation in a standard van and quick assembly on-site. By using high-end artificial florals, the business owner avoids the wilting and high replacement costs associated with fresh flowers while maintaining a lush, luxury aesthetic. This is a high-yield rental business. A single floral wall can be rented out hundreds of times, paying for its materials within the first 2 or 3 bookings. Success in this field depends on staying ahead of design trends, such as monochromatic walls or ombre patterns. Offering add-ons like neon signs with custom phrases, "Better Together," "The Millers," or integrated LED lighting can further increase the rental price per event, making it a favorite for event planners and brides alike. Home kitchen restaurant service. This startup concept leverages the gig economy to democratize the culinary industry. By using a dedicated platform, home cooks can list their daily menus and sell authentic, home-cooked meals directly to their local community. It bypasses the massive overhead of a traditional restaurant lease and allows cooks to focus on niche, traditional, or healthy recipes that are often missing from commercial fast food menus. This is particularly popular in urban areas where residents crave mother's cooking but lack the time to prepare it themselves. For the entrepreneur, this business can scale by acting as the marketplace platform, similar to Uber Eats but specifically for home kitchens, or by operating as a ghost kitchen consultant. Ensuring compliance with local food safety regulations and providing professional packaging solutions are the keys to building trust. As the business grows, successful home cooks can transition into small catering brands, while the platform collects a percentage of every transaction, creating a scalable, community-driven food network. Gender reveal cake business. The gender reveal cake has transitioned from a trend to a staple of modern parenting celebrations. These cakes utilize a surprise center, usually filled with blue or pink candies, sprinkles, or colored sponge, that stays hidden until the parents to date make the first cut. Because these cakes are the focal point of a high-emotion event often filmed for social media, customers are willing to pay a significant premium for flawless structural design and intricate exterior decoration. To succeed in this niche, your marketing should focus on the reveal moment. Offering customizable options like secret envelopes, where the doctor's note is handed directly to the baker, adds a layer of trust and excitement for the parents. Beyond the cake itself, you can upsell reveal kits that include matching cupcakes or cake pops for guests. This is a high-margin, word-of-mouth business that thrives on Instagram and Pinterest, where one beautiful cake can lead to a dozen bookings from the same social circle. Grain grinding machine business. A high-capacity grain grinding machine is a vital piece of infrastructure for both the food and agricultural sectors. Capable of processing up to 500 kilograms per hour, these machines turn raw grains like corn, wheat, or soy into fine flour for human consumption or specialized feed for livestock. For a rural or semi-rural entrepreneur, this machine provides a necessary service to local farmers who would otherwise have to transport their raw harvest long distances to a central mill. Operating this as a service-based business allows you to charge a fee per kilogram processed, ensuring steady cash flow without the risk of owning the inventory. Alternatively, you can buy grain at wholesale prices during the harvest season, process it, and sell branded flour or fortified animal feed at a higher retail price. The versatility of the machine allows you to pivot your production based on seasonal demand, focusing on flour during baking seasons and livestock feed during the winter. Solar panel cleaning robots. As solar energy adoption explodes, a major problem has emerged: soiling. Dust, bird droppings, and pollen can reduce a solar panel's efficiency by up to 30%. Manual cleaning is dangerous and slow, which is where robotic cleaners come in. These robots use specialized brushes and water-efficient systems to crawl across panels, restoring them to 100% efficiency in a fraction of the time. This is a high-tech service business with very little competition in many regions. Offering a cleaning-as-a-service, CaaS, model to commercial solar farms or residential neighborhoods can generate over $5,000 per month. You can set up recurring maintenance contracts, ensuring the panels are cleaned every quarter. Because the robots are portable, a single operator can manage multiple cleaning jobs in a day. As energy prices rise, the ROI for your customers becomes even clearer. Your service literally pays for itself by increasing their electricity production. Automatic fish processing machine. Fish processing is traditionally one of the most labor-intensive and unhygienic tasks in the food industry. An automatic fish processing machine changes this by scaling, gutting, and cleaning fish in a matter of seconds. For seafood markets, restaurants, or small canning factories, this machine drastically reduces labor costs and increases the yield per fish by making more precise cuts than a human can. It also significantly improves food safety by minimizing human contact with the raw product. At an entry price of $8,000, this machine is an excellent investment for wholesalers who want to add value to their catch before selling it to retailers. By selling ready-to-cook fillets instead of whole fish, you can charge a much higher price per pound. The machine's efficiency allows you to process bulk orders for large events or supermarket chains on short notice, giving you a competitive edge in the fast-paced fresh seafood market. Subscribe to Business Ideas Vault, hit the like button, and explore our other videos. Your journey to business success starts here.